Alright, good morning. Another interesting day today. Got two tows. Two things that have never been on the truck before. Alright. Today's first stop is gonna be Escambia County School Board Garage. What do you think I'm towing?
Plus, to lunch on the Gulf Coast Rock Station, TK 101.
From the Dean McCrary Kia Traffic Center.
Well, for
Here we are.
The drive-in Mobile on eastbound I-10 has been a real hot spot today with construction that ran later than usual.
I'm not sure if I'm at the right place or not. I kind of gotta just drive around, scope it out. Alright, so this is what we got going on. See how this works. Well, it's coming on up. Yeah, well, it's on there. Of course, they decided that it was gonna start raining all of a sudden, but all right, onward and forwards we go. All right, well, I didn't get a whole lot of video on that one. It was kind of like a two-man job kind of deal. It's a little different with a toolbox because first of all, it's heavy and square, and anyways, got it done. But now I'm headed back to Alabama, a restricted facility, to pick up toolbox number 2. It's a day for toolboxes. Looks like, you know, when it rains it pours. Got 2 toolboxes towed today. Alright, check back with it. Alright, we're entering Seminole, Alabama. We're on Highway 90, headed west. Made it past the weigh station, no issues. Yeah, there ain't much to Seminole, but here it is. You see it. What you see is what you get. And just as fast as we got into it, we are getting out of it. That's all of it. That's Seminole for you. Alright, well, we have made it to Robertsdale. Oh, this is, I heard this is a pretty good little taco stand right here. Yummy. Yeah, we're really close to our destination. Alright, this is where we're going. 17430 Highway 104, Robertsdale, Alabama. Yep, that's it. Coca-Cola. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Oh yeah, it's locked all right, and it is locked up. Let's see what this is. All right, we made it. They're opening the gate for us. Thank you. All right, made it to the Coke place. Yep. There's a garage right there. That's where the toolbox is. Let me see if I can find a mechanic. Alright, this is what we got going on. Going to shop here. That's a Peterbilt 330. Oh, it looks like he's got some cooler action going on. C7, yep. And this is the toolbox we're after. Nice. Right, here goes the second one. Coming on up. All right. All right, we got old pink toolbox loaded up, heading back to Pensacola. Here we go. Leaving the Coke plant. That's where I come in. That's a you gotta walk through that turntable thing to get in. Okay, here we go. All right, we got it off. There it is. All right, that's a wrap for the day.